Hey guys, welcome to the show and today's episode of Heads of Tech. We're going to be unboxing this ring light, baby. Oh yeah, it comes in a stylish box with a handle and oh my god, does life get any better than this? Well, yes it does, because right inside here is what you've all been waiting for. It is exactly what you need.
Boom, look how hot she looks now.
Wow, just check out that new one.
Officially
guys.
it works.
Link in the description below. Inside a bag, check this out. This is the beautiful, newest design of ring light. It is a beautiful square design. You can carry it in your hand, just like that, with one hand only. And you can even unzip it as well. Just check out the unzipping mechanism. Do you guys check out that noise? That fan noise city, guys. Fan noise city, oh yeah. Right inside here, you've got another box. Oh my god, how many boxes they fit inside the box?
It's my box. What are you doing?
I just thought I would do a Heads of Tech show. Hold the press. Who's the better Heads of Techer?
Obviously, definitely number one. But have you explained what a ring light is used for?
Stuffies! Ash, I don't know about you, but this is looking pretty damn new. This is...
Neewer.
This is an LED ring light. An LED ring light. Did you know that? It was LED.
Yeah, we already got one.
Ours is not LED, is it?
Yeah, it's exactly the same.
God damn! Heads of teching it. All right, that is all that's inside the box, the bag, which is pretty cool.
There is actually a Neewer, and it's got like multicolored lights, so you can actually switch the colors. But it also has Wi-Fi connection, so I figured forget that and I'll get the basic one.
Why does it need Wi-Fi?
So this one, exactly. So this one, if you want to change the color of the light, you get different panels. You get a red one and you get a white one, and you need to just depanel it and all that kind of stuff.
Well, I think I'm up for that, depaneling. All you do is you remove the elastic bands and you chuck them onto Ash's head. And you also chuck this onto Ash's head. And then, hey presto, the job is done. You have to put them in order. Tongue and groove, tongue and groove.
So ring lights, they're great because they just light up your face only in a ring awful kind of shape.
Yeah, but the one problem I have with ring lights, Ash, and correct me if I'm wrong because you might also have this problem.
Wrong.
Is it reflects on your glasses.
Yeah. What can you do about that? Anyone know? Let me know in the comment section below.
Contact lenses.
You can, I can't put contact lenses in my eyes. I can't do anything with my eyes.
This guy and eye drops. Oh.
You want to open up some windows?
It's the dust. It's dusty.
So you get from ordering from China.
Oh, are you saying that we've got... Oh, that's nice.
Yeah. Okay, Stan, this is the reason why you want a ring light. So that look how dark and shadowy and disgusting she looks. Yeah. Awful. Disgusting. Now, check this out. Yeah, the magic. Boom. Look how hot she looks now. It's that instant. Ugly, ew, swipe left, gone, deleted from your life, swipe right, yeah? So that's what a ring light does. This one is adjustable, it's got a dimmer, so you can do some nice, and you also got a different colored one. Now there is an even more expensive one, and it is Neewer, and it allows you to have varied color temperatures, which means you can go from red to like white, all the kind of variants. However, it's got like some Wi-Fi signal, so I figured I didn't want that. And that is the Neewer ring light. What do you think?
I love it. I actually really like how tall it is because the predecessor didn't used to go this tall.
And I think I need to add this because that's a great point you just made, yeah, about the height. I just said when you turn it on, it makes you look good. Now, I don't know if it works for everyone, so we've got to do a real comparison here, right?
Yeah.
So we know that you looked horrendous with it off, like right now, yeah, disgusting.
Ew.
You turn it on, magnificent, beautiful. Now, does this also work on everyone? I'm gonna step up onto the stage.
Hey guys.
Okay, this is
the real part of the
live.
show.
This is side-by-side comparison.
All right, now you can see Ash.
Okay.
I gotta say on the scale of 1 to hunk.
I'm gonna just give you a warning. Like, just cover your eyes for this bit. You probably don't want to see what I look like in real life. Oh, the light's gonna come on. Okay.
Okay, 1 to hunk.
Okay, this is what I look like right now. I don't know, just look.
Yes. Ew, yuck.
Disgusting.
2 out of hunk.
Okay.
Ba-boomba! Ba-boomba! ba-boomba, ba-boomba. Jump on it, do it, ride it, got on it. Ooh, wow, wow, just check out that Neewer
you go,
light,
officially
guys.
it works.
Link in the description below.
Right.
All right, guys, so there you have it. That is the review for the Neewer ring light, LED light, from your girl, NC, and your boy, AC, who's just walked off the stage. I hope you found this video useful, and of course...
There's an unsubscribe button.
and of course... Say it with me.
What is it?
Enjoy the show. And of course, 1, 2, 3.
Hope you guys enjoyed the show.